Hey guys, if you can't tell, I'm filming from home today. And in my last video I made where I was using this bad boy, I don't know if you noticed, but I was hobbling. And that's because I have an inflamed Achilles. And I'm supposed to stay off of it and take it easy. So I'm trying to do that because I want it to get better. But while I've been taking it easy, I had an epiphany. I've been wanting a firewood measuring tool. And I see them online for like 20 bucks and up, like average around 40 bucks. And I saw videos on DIY that you can make your own, but I don't trust myself with like using the right saw or the right blade to cut PVC pipe. So I made my own. And this right here is my own. Yes, I even wood burned my name on there. But believe it or not, if you have a nice heavy duty magnet at home, you could make this for 2 bucks. Because what this used to be, before I screwed this magnet on, it was a plunger at Dollar Tree. You get the dowel itself, and this right here, I had used like a lotion container to trace it. You could kind of see the line. But yeah, I just used a Dollar Tree plunger, and I got this magnet at Ace Hardware for 5 bucks. So I got my own measuring tool, and I'm still doing the doctor's orders, taking it easy. But I got my own tool for $6.25 before tax, which is pretty dang good, because once I been using it over and over, then I'll know how long to make it, because right now I'm cutting pieces that are anywhere from 6 inches to 20 inches. There's no consistency, but I know that it has to be a minimum of 16 inches for when you make a cord of wood. This is, how long is this guy? From where I cut the plunger to the end of the magnet. What do we got? Shiza. It is freezing out here. It's nice, but it's freezing, so I have my sealskin gloves on. They're the warmest gloves I've ever had. They do wonderful. So yeah, it's almost 18 inches, which is perfect. See? But yeah, I tried a couple of different heavy-duty magnets, but none of them were strong enough. So that's why I forked over the 5 bucks, which again, I think every town has like a little hardware store, an Ace Hardware, because I don't live in a big city. If I wanted to go to the next town over that has all this stuff, I'll be spending more on gas than I did on this thing. And sure enough, here's my chainsaw, and it just snaps right on. And it's a nice heavy one. Like it's not gonna budge. And so this way now when I'm cutting, just snag it on the end of the tree, cut, and move, and cut. So you want to make one easy, because again, anybody can make it. You buy a plunger at Dollar Tree, cut the suction part off. I did cut the end of this off because it was a rounded handle, but I just cut it off. There's glue, because I tried to glue a couple magnets, but they were weak. And I just screwed that in, and then bam. Yeah, and it's a nice, yeah, like if you live in Oregon where you don't have sales tax, it'll be like $6.24 for right there. And it, again, if it breaks, I lose it, something happens to them, I'm out 6 bucks. Not like the ones online where you pay for it 20, 40 bucks, you lose it, you're out, you gotta buy a new one. Nope, if your Dollar Tree has plungers, you're set. So once I get this foot all healed up and I can move better, I'll take this to the property and we'll see it in action, and hopefully it'll be sooner than later. It's supposed to freeze next week and snow. The east right now, northeast, they're getting blasted, and we're up next, the northwest. But yeah, I just had to share my quick tip on how you can make your own firewood measuring stick. The only tool you need is a saw. I used a razor blade to cut the end, and a screwdriver to screw the magnet in. So not much assembly was required, very easy. And then yeah, hopefully next week at the latest, we could see it in action. Oh, and one more thing. For those of you guys that said, I need to get some chainsaw chaps. I talked to a former classmate of mine that's a professional logger, and he agrees with you guys. He says, yes, it is a must. And until I can find a pair that fit me, that I should go back to wearing my 2 big Carhartts, because even though it doesn't have Kevlar in it, it's a lot more sturdier and safer than jeans or khakis. It does have double, so it will slow it down a little more before it hits me, but hopefully it never comes to that. But yes, so those of you that suggest that I need chaps or chainsaw pants, I'd like to say thank you, because I do need them. And so hopefully I could find a pair that will suit me soon. But again, I appreciate all your guys' advice. I listen to it because, again, I'm just out clearing this property. I know how to pull weeds and stuff, but I'm not a pro at any of this. And I don't know if I want to be a pro, but I do want to do it right and do it efficiently. So all the knowledge you guys share with me, I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. And again, please click like, click subscribe. I appreciate it. I need it. And thanks again, guys.